Today is our second video class sessions. Today starts chapter 1, subject math, and topic is estimation. Last class I discussed about the estimations, nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 10,000. Also I discussed about the estimation sum, estimation products, and estimation quotients. So today we again repeated the estimation sum, product, difference, and quotients. See the board, because estimation sum, first we discuss about the estimation sum. How you do the estimation sum? See the board. Estimation sum. Here is a rules for estimation sums. When we want to estimate the sum, then given numbers, first you estimate the numbers, then find the answer. See the board. Estimation the sum examples. Okay. 6, 8, 9 plus 6, 7, 8. That means 689, 678. So, example sum, estimate the sum. Estimate the sum nearest what? Nearest 100. Nearest 100. Estimation the sum nearest 100. Then first round off the added in nearest 100. Then find the sum. Then 689 is rounded off. Rounded off. In last class I told you, but when we find out the nearest 100, then we compare the which digit, 10 digit is what? More than 5. More than 5. That's why the 600 will be changed into 700. 700, say 678 is rounded off. Here see the proof. 10 place is also here also more than what? 10 place is also more than 5. That's why also 700. Then what? The question is estimate the sum nearest 100. Then already we estimate the numbers, given numbers into nearest 100. Now we find the sum. 0, 0, 7, 7, 1400. Then estimated sum we got what? 1400. Clear about the estimated sum, nearest 100, nearest 10, anything you ask about this, the estimated sum, then you can find the answer. Follow this process. If nearest 10, then you know already how we find the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 10,000, nearest lakh. All these nearest you can find using this process. Clear about the estimation sum. Now we discuss about the estimation difference. Estimation difference. Let's examples. Okay. $9,624 minus $11,223 nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000. See, but find estimation difference of 9,624 minus 7,223 nearest 1,000. How we? Then first we what? Round off nearest 1,000. See the number. Then 9,624 is rounded. See the nearest 1,000, and we compare which place is here? 100 place. 100 place is what? More than 5. At more than 5, that's why the 9,000 is changed into 10,000. 10,000 9,000 is nearest to the 10,000. Here 7,200. Then we have 2. Then 7,223 is rounded off nearest. Rounded off nearest what? 1,000. So we compare the 100 place. 100 place is less than 5. That's why this it is nearest to the 7,000. What 1,000? 7,000. Now we got the difference 0, 0, 0. And 10 minus 7 equal to 3. And estimated difference is what? How much? 3,000. Clear? I hope all of you learn the estimated sum and estimated difference very easy. You can follow the process and you can do the all numbers easily. Now we know about the estimated product. Clear? See the board. Estimating the product. Okay. Estimating the product. You know, product means what? When we multiply two numbers, then we got the products. Like, see the example: 6 into 2 equal to 12. Here it's called product. Here one is called multiplicand and multiplier. This one is multiplicand, this one is multiplier. When you multiply 6 into 2 equal to 12. 12 is called product. Okay, clear? Clear about what is product? So now we learn about the estimated product. What? Estimated product. And estimate the product. Nearest 1,000. Estimate the product nearest 100. First we learn about the 100. Okay. Example. $670 and $524. Estimate we find out the nearest 100. Okay. Then 670 is rounded up. Nearest 100. Here 10 place. Compare the 10 place. 10 place is more than 5, 7. That's why it should be 700. Clear? Then 524 is nearest to the which 600 or 500? Nearest to the 500. That's why here we write here 500. Both are product. What? We rounded up 700 and 524 is rounded up 500. Now we what? Got the estimated product. Then 7 5 35. Then how many zeros is there? 40. Then we write 40. Clear? The answer is what? 3,50,000. Clear? How you estimated the products? Also you can use this process and estimated nearest 10, nearest 10,000, nearest 1 lakhs, anything. Clear about the estimated product? Now we know about the estimated quotient. How we find the estimated quotient? See the board. Or not? Then if you know that it easily divides, then how you estimate the quotient? Got the answer? Like 6 divided by 3. Take the small example equal to 2. Here what? This 2 is called quotient. 2 is called quotient. 2 is called quotient. 6 is called what? Divisor. 6 is called dividends and 3 is dividend. Then you estimated this one. Now we learn estimated quotient by nearest 10. Okay. Nearest 10. With examples 620 divided 34. 620 divided 34. Then what we do? First we estimated the 620 to the nearest 10 and 34 to the nearest 10. See the board. 620 is rounded off. Nearest 10 means first. We see the which place, one place or 10 place, one place is 0. That means 0 is less than 5. That's why it's estimated 600. What? 620. 620. Clear? Now, at 34. 34 is rounded off. How much? This one is 30. 30 is there. That's why. Rounded off is how much? 4 more than 5 or less than 5? Here. More than 5 or less than 5? Less than 5. That's why rounded 30. Now you divide and got the quotient. Clear? Then 620 divided by 30 equal to 62 by 3. The question is 62 by 3. You can write easily 62 by 3. No, okay? Clear about the estimated quotient? Any doubts? No doubts? Clear? Now we know about the simplification of numbers. Next topic is simplification. Now we discuss about the simplifications using Demas rule. All of you know in class 5 Demas rule. Now what is Demas rule and how we use the Demas rule and find the simplification and got the answer clearly. See Demas. Okay. Divide, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Divide, multiplication, addition and subtractions. We use Demas rule and easily simplify the numbers. See 18 minus 10. 18 minus 10 divided by 5 into 2 plus 3. See the board? 18 minus 10 divided by 5 into 2 plus 3. Then use the Demas rule. First one is what? Divides. Second one is multiplication. Third one is addition. Fourth one is subtraction. You see the rule and use this rule and simplify it easily. See the word. First one is what? Divides. Then first we divide one. Step 1 is what? Divides. Step 1 divides. Okay. 10 divided 5. 10 divided 5 equal to what? 10 divided by 5 equal to 2. Second term is what? Multiplication. Then we step 2 is what? This one is step 2. Step 2. Then 2 into 2 what? 2 into 2 4. Step 2 is what? 4. Okay. First step divide. Second step multiplication. Third step is what? Addition. Then addition. Third step is addition. 4 plus 3 what? 7. 4 plus 3 7. The last step is what? Last step one is subtraction. What? Subtraction. Then you use the process easily and what? 18 minus 7 equal to 11. Step 4. Okay? All of you understood how you find the answer easily. Use the Demas rule and find the answer. First one divides 10 divided 5 equal to 2. Then second one is multiplication. That's why 2 into 2 equal to 4. Third one is what? Addition. Third one is addition. 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Fourth one is what? 18 minus 7 equal to 11. Clear about the Demas rule? Demas rule, any doubts about the Demas rule? Demas rule is very easy. You can easily simplify the numbers. Also, we can simplify the using brackets. But using brackets. See the board. How you use the brackets and find the answer. Now see the board. Using brackets. Minus 10 divided by 5 into 2 plus 3. We can easily use the brackets and find the answer. See the code. Then 18 minus 10 minus 5 equal to 2, plus minus minus is there into 2 plus 3, plus minus minus 18 minus 2 into 2 what? 4 minus 4 plus 3. Okay. 18 minus 3 equal to 21. 21 minus 4 equal to 10. We got the same answer. 17. Clear about using brackets and how you find the answer. Clear? Now it is Demas rule. If you use the Demas rule, and easily you find the answer. Clear? Now we know about the Roman numeral. What? Now we know about the Roman numeral. What is Roman numeral? And in the numerals you know. Now all of you know about the simplification using Demas rule, using brackets. Now we know about the Roman numerals. Already you know about the Roman numerals to the Hindu Arabic numerals. First we know about the Roman numeral. Okay? Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic number. Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, Roman numeral and Hindu Arabic numerals. You know this side Roman numeral. You see the clocks. Many times the clocks, the numbers are right like this, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Also we write in the class like 1, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4 like this. These are the Roman numerals. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Instead of I write here x equal to 10. X equal to 10. It is the Roman numeral from 1 to 10. 1 to 10. 1 is like this, right like this. 1 instead of 1. Roman numeral, Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay. Now we know about the large numbers of Roman numerals. You know it is a large numbers, then you can find easily more large numbers. How? See here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Instead of Roman numeral Hindu Arabic number, instead of Hindu Arabic number, Roman numeral up to 100. Then how you find more than 100 or 2000? What are the necessary things? You can easily see the board and got the answer. See the boards, another number is what? Another how we find the number? The large number. Okay. Here if you write x, if you start from x, L, that is B, X, L, C, it means what? I. Then 10. This one 50. This one 100. Then CD 400. Then D 500. Okay. Then CM 900. M equal to 1000. You easily find the Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals easily if you know this thing. B equal to 5, X equal to 10, L equal to 50, C equal to what? 100, C equal to 400, D equal to 500, CM equal to 900, M equal to 1000. Each Roman numerals can write thrice. The number except the B and L are not repeated 2 times, but X is repeated 3 times, M also is repeated by 3 times, D also repeated by only 1 time. Clear about this? Any doubt is there? No. So we can easily find the addition of Roman numerals and subtractions of Roman numerals. Clear? Change into numerals. Suppose let we got find out the CC. If we know, then CC equal to what? We know C equal to what? 100, then 100 plus 100 equal to 200. Okay. Now we have another question. Write Roman numeral 4. Write Roman numeral 4 what? Write Roman numeral 4. How to write some examples like here CD, DC, DCC, LX, LXD, and DC. Then how we know the Roman numeral for this one? How we know Roman numeral for this one? Easily see. CD we know C equal to 100, D equal to 500. Equal to CD equal to what? 600. C equal to 100. C means 100. D means what? 500. D means 500. Here D 100 plus 500 equal to 600. Now D equal to what? 500. C equal to what? 100. C equal to what? 100. Okay, 500 plus 100, 600. 100 equal to 700. Now L equal to what? 50. X equal to what? 10. D equal to what? 5. So we can easily find 65. Now M equal to, you know what? M equal to what? Value of M means 1000. Then we can write here 1000. D equal to what? We know 500. 500. Then C equal to what? 100. C equal to 100. 1000. 500. 100. Equal to what? 1600. Clear? All of you know how you find Roman numeral for Hindu Arabic numbers. Instead of Roman numeral, instead of Hindu Arabic, in the Hindu Arabic numbers, easily you can find the answer 1600. Now we can change into Hindu Arabic number to Roman numeral. Hindu Arabic number to Roman numeral. Okay. Now we find out the Hindu Arabic for Roman numerals. Clear? Find Hindu-Arabic numeral to, we can find the Hindu-Arabic Roman numeral to what? Roman numeral. Find Hindu-Arabic for given Roman numerals. Roman numerals, easily you can find the Roman numerals for see the how find. Like here 325. 325. 610. 250. Okay. 325. We can find easily Roman numeral how. It's a very easy process. Same, just opposite of Hindu to Roman to Hindu. See the 100. Here, first you write separate. 300 means how many times 100? 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 20 plus 5. See, how many times 100 is there? 1, 2, 3. Then 100 means what? 100 means what? She. Then you write 3 times. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 20x equal to what? 10. Then 2 times x. How many times x? 1 time, 2 times x. Okay. Then 5 equal to what? B. It is the Roman numeral for 325 is written as CCCXXB. Clear about solidified? Let's we find out the what? 610. 610 means you got first 500, then 100, then 10. See, 500, 100, then 10. We know what is the value of if we change into Hindu-Arabic number into Roman numeral. 500 is written as which symbol? 500 is written as symbol D. Then you write instead of 500 D. Then 100 instead of what we write? 100 instead of we write what? C. Instead of 10, what we write? Instead of 10, x equal to 10. Then we write here x. Yeah. Then what is the answer? The answer is D, C, X. No need to write D plus C plus X. If you write directly also you got the answer, or write like this also got the answer. No problem. Both the value are same. Now we find out 240. 240, that means 100 plus 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 100 plus 40. 40. Then 40, because for 10 no Roman numeral can what repeated 4 times, only x should be repeated 3 times or 1 should be repeated 3 times. So 100 equal to what? C. 100 equal to what? C. 40 equal to what? XL. This is the Roman numeral 240 is written as CCXL. Clear about this one? Now we discuss 325. 325 means what? 300. That means 100. 100. How many times? 3 times 100. 25. 20. That means 20 plus 5. Clear? Then how many times 100 is there? 3 times. Then how many times we write a value of 100 equal to C? 3 times. How many times C? 3 times C. Then 20. 20 means how many times x? 2 times x. 2 times x. Then 5. How many times 5? Only 1 time 5. 5 consider B. Clear? Then C, X, D. We can find the Roman numerals for our Hindu-Arabic numbers for Roman numerals easily. If you know these things, the value of 5, X, L, C, D, M, C, and M, you can find easily. Clear about the Roman numerals? How you find Roman numeral to Hindu-Arabic number to Roman numerals easily you know. I hope all of you learn this, the Roman numerals. Now, today we discuss estimation sum, estimation difference, estimation what? Estimations difference, then estimation product, then estimations quotient, then Demas rule, then Roman numeral. I hope all of you learn it properly and you practice your home many times and you got the answer. Thank you. We meets again next video sessions, next class. Bye.